Hello everyone, my name is Pooja. I'm a numerologist and a tarot card reader. Today I'm going to talk to you about a very interesting topic, and that is about a weakly placed sun in your chart. So we are going to talk about how we can identify if you have a weak placed sun in your chart, and at the end of the video I would share some remedies as to how you can strengthen this sun for you. So how would you come to know if you have a weakly placed sun in the chart? Okay, it's very simple. First and foremost, the relationship with your father would not be so pleasant. You would constantly have fights and arguments with your father. Also, for some it could mean that you have a weak eyesight. Okay, right from birth, some of you must be having a weak eyesight. For others, it could mean non-stop problems with your joints or problems with your bones, weak bones. Okay, for some it might mean a lack of self-confidence. You're not confident enough to take any decisions, and a non-stop feeling of not being praised, not being respected by others. For some of you, it could also mean not getting a desired government job, or maybe it could so happen that your government jobs are stuck, they're not getting done. So all these are some of the things that could show you that you have a weakly placed sun. So what can you do? Okay, what remedy can you do so that you can strengthen the sun? I would tell you some very simple remedies that if you follow at least for a month, you would start seeing the effects for yourself. Many a times it so happens that you go to astrologers or some pundits and all, and they might suggest ye puja kijiye, wo puja kijiye, and I'm not sure how much money you spend on all these things, but I always believe that you should do the remedy yourself. Okay, these are very simple remedies that I would suggest today, and you would see the effects. Now coming to the remedies as to how you can strengthen the sun for you. Very simple to follow, so do try them. The first remedy, the very important and very simple to do remedy for anyone with a weak sun is try waking up early in the morning. The people ruled by the sun generally have a habit of waking up late. So half of your problem lies over here, I must say. So wake up in the morning, have a bath and offer water to the sun. Next, you can try doing Surya Namaskars, at least 11. Do try them in the morning. So this would keep you healthy and also strengthen the sun for you. Donate jaggery and wheat to the needy people on Sundays. This is also a very important remedy. The next thing you can do is whenever you step outside the house, do anything important, do put a small piece of jaggery in your mouth. This would give you luck. People ruled by the sun, generally the lucky colors for them are yellow, orange and red. So if you can wear these colors, well and good. If not, what you can do is you can cut out a small piece of cloth and keep it in your wallet. You could also carry a handkerchief of these colors. So this could give you luck and self-confidence whenever you are going to do anything important. Also, what you can do is try drinking water out of a copper glass. This would also strengthen the sun for you. A very simple and a very effective tip to strengthen your sun is touch your father's feet on a daily basis. Respect all the fatherly figures that you know of, be it your boss, be it your grandparents. Help them as much as possible. This would be very effective. Also, you can say the Aditya Hridaya Stotra. This is a very effective mantra. If not that, you can state Om Suryaye Namaha. This is very simple to say. I'm sure everybody can say it. So at least say it minimum 108 times. If you can do it in the morning after having a bath, even better. Another important thing that I would like to add to this is do recite the Gayatri mantra as much as possible. You must do it at least 7 times in the day, or if possible, recite it 108 times. So do use this simple, effective mantra to strengthen your sun for you. It is very effective, very simple to say, but very effective. If not possible to chant, what you can do is you can play it in your phone or something and keep listening to the mantra. This would also give you very positive results. So these were some very basic remedies that anyone can do to strengthen your sun. So do try them and let me know if they worked for you. Thank you so much. Thank you.